Trying to share a full Instagram reel to your story, but it keeps trimming to just 15 seconds? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a simple trick to post the entire reel, no matter how long it is. Watch till the end so you don't miss any step. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. This works on both iPhone and Android. Tap the Reels icon at the bottom to go into the Reels section. Now find the reel you want to share. Tap the share icon, Paper Airplane, and you'll see the option to add to story. But here's the thing. Instagram only adds a 15-second preview, not the full thing. To post the full reel, here's what to do. Go back and tap the share button again, but this time select copy link. Now open your App Store or Google Play Store and search for an app called Instant Save. It's free and safe. I've been using it for over a year with no issues. Download and open the Instant Save app. The app will automatically detect the copied reel link and fetch the video. Tap the reel, and at the top right, tap the save icon to download it to your phone. At this point, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button now so you don't miss future tech tips like this. Now head back to Instagram, and at the top left, tap your story. Select Share to Story and upload the full reel video you just saved, whether it's 30 seconds, 2 minutes, or longer. That's it. You've successfully added the full-length reel to your Instagram story. No more 15-second limits. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and let me know what topics you'd like me to cover next. Hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this.